Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually showing you how you can start to make $40,000 every single month by doing a simple and easy method. I'm going to show you everything in today's video, so make sure you watch it from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money with YouTube. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So I want to show you the proof that this method is actually going to work, and I'm going to show you how you can get videos on YouTube without copyright. So here's what we're going to do, guys. So I'm going to show you this one site real quick, which is called Social Blade, so you can see the estimated amount of how much money people make on YouTube. So this is a channel that has over 1 million subscribers and has only around 255 videos. So you can see right here, it says its estimated monthly earnings is around $3,000 to $48,000 every single month, and this channel is like a scary channel. So I want to show you that right here, right now, guys, because I'm going to show you how you can actually make videos just like these. So here's another YouTube channel that I'm going to show you how we can start to make this right now as well. So if we just click on that channel, you can come over here and see how much videos they have uploaded. Look how much views right here, 53 million views. So if we just click on the videos right here, you can see how much videos they actually have. 1,000 videos right there. So that is insane. Over 2 million views. So you can see this channel has around 20,000 views, 17,000 views, 32,000 views, 23,000 views, 20,000 views, 60,000 views. So you can see the titles of this video. Look how long these videos are. So you can have mid-roll ads inside of this, over 10 minutes. This one is 5 hours long. This one is 52 minutes long. This one is 51 minutes long. So around an hour to 40 minutes to 5 hours. Oh, even 7 hours long videos, guys. So let me show you how you can start to make videos just like this and start to make some money from YouTube. So the first step that we're gonna have to take is looking for these scary stories that we want to create just like these, guys. And all you have to do is go to Google and just type in scary stories. That is it. Look, you have 15 video ideas right here as soon as you get through typing in scary stories on Google. So once we click on that link, you have 15 spooky stories that will keep you up at night. So you can see 1, 2, 3, a Ouija board knocks back. Right here is forgotten memory. So you have different horror stories that you can create right now for YouTube by using this one website right here. And if you don't think these are long enough for a video, you can collaborate. You can put like 3 videos or 3 scary stories and 1 or 5, and then do the other 5. So that's 3 whole videos that you can create, but with 15. So 5, 10, 15. So that's, you can put in 5 different scary stories in each video and have it right there on YouTube. And I'm going to show you all of these steps right now. For this video, I'm going to be using this editing software right here because you can use the free version, and this one is called VSDC. Now I'm going to show you inside of this and show you every single step that you need to take right now to start making this work. So once we open up the VSDC editing software, what the next step that you have to do is click on blank project right here and then type in a title. So we can just do like top 5 scary stories, or yeah, scary stories part 1. So once we type in top 5 scary stories part 1 or part 2 or whatever you want to type in right there, just click on finish. Now it's going to lead us to a blank editing page just like this. So now the next step is to add in all of our information and everything inside of this, guys. So now let's go back over here to the Google tab right here. So once we're back inside of here, guys, the next step is looking for these stories that we want to add inside of our video. Now you might be asking, well, what are we going to put as the actual video? So now we have to go over here to Pixabay. Now within the Pixabay tab, you just type in like scary, or something similar to that. So now you have these pictures that are 100% copyright free. Now you can download any of these and start making a voiceover on top of these pictures, guys. So this is how how simple and how easy it is to start making videos with scary stories. Now I'm going to show you a cool trick that you can actually use inside of your YouTube videos to make it more attractive to the user or the viewer. So let's just click on this one right here because it is kind of creepy in a way. So let's just click on download right now. Now we just click on whichever one of these that you want to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to the default one that it showed automatically. So let's just click on download, and now it's downloading our free picture right there, guys. So now let's go back to the editor. Now let's put in this picture right here right now. So I'm going to separate these tabs real quick just like that, so I can have two tabs open and show you how this works just real quick. So we're going to drag and drop this right there, guys, and now we have the picture right there. So now once we have that, the next step is going to be go. So now since we have this picture right here, let's add in some music, guys. Let's add in some scary, creepy music in the background to make this more attractive to the user. So now let's go back over here. Let's go to bin Q or bin sound. So let's just start typing in bin sound right here on Google. So once we type in bin sound, you're gonna get led to a site just like this one, and then you can have like different sources, like different categories of music that you can have in the background that is copyright free. Just type in like scary or spooky or something of that nature so you can get some sort of like scary sound in the background, so we can start to listen to some of this and just see something that's kind of like a weird scary sound in the background. So let's just download one of these real quick so that we can just do this one just to show you how this actually works. And you can find more scary music by just going on Google and typing in scary music copyright free or something like that, guys. So let's go on to the next step by adding this music inside of our video. So now let's open up our files right here. So now once we open up our files, we're gonna come over here and look for that scary music that we have recently just downloaded. So let's go to downloads, and it's going to be right there, guys. Now the next step is actually playing this video so you can actually see how it works whenever it's playing in the background. You can actually change the volume of the video or the audio track in the background so it can be a little bit less loud than that, so you can have it like a little bit more spooky, so it can just be like background noise. So now since we have turned it down a tiny bit, you can hear it just a little bit less, guys, and that's what we are wanting. So now the next step is just adding in more pictures. So let me show you how to do that right now. So once you have enough pictures that you have wanted, or for the entire video, however long the video is going to be, then we are complete. And the last step we need to do is just adding in the text and then adding in the actual script so they can read it and follow along as we read it. So now that since I added in more pictures on this actual editor software, guys, now you can see how it overlays each other. So all you have to do is just slide this cursor across to wherever you want it, or however long you want the picture to be on that specific slide or on that certain part of the video. So now if we click over here, you can see how it changes. So this is how they make their videos, guys, and all we have to do now is add in some text on top of this picture so we can actually get started either with the voiceover or hire somebody off of Fiverr to do the voiceover for us. So now if you want to do the voiceover yourself and you just want people to read the text that you have created, then all you have to do is come over here to this little slide right here, guys. Go over there where it has like the little T on there, and then type in like text right there, click on OK. Go. Now drag however big do you want the text to be right here, guys, and then once you have that, come over here to where it says PT at the top middle button. Go at the top middle, type in like 140 and just type to see how big the text are. Now the next step you can do right here, guys, is just keep on adding in all of the text from the actual website itself. So now let's come back over here to the website where we found those 15 spooky ideas or 15 spooky stories. So you can type in like the title first. So we can come over here, copy this, we can come back over here to this right here. Now we can paste this in right there, guys, by Control V, and now we have it right there, guys. So that is how you can actually make this work, and you can just enter this if it's too big. So let's just click on the last K right there, since I accidentally deleted it. Now we have our video right here, guys, and the next and last step that we have to take is either doing the voiceover. So in order to do that, you just talk like I'm talking right now by opening up a OBS website. Go. So once you open up OBS, you can see that I'm recording right here, guys. So once you open up OBS, you can just start to record your voice only without the actual picture, and then add in the voiceover script inside of here on top of this music, and now your voice is going to be spoken or speaking, and you're just going to pretty much copy what it says on the screen. So our voice can be like, "Oh, Ouija board knocks back," so that can be like part of it, and then with the music in the background to make it sound like a little creepy. And then you can just start to come over here to the actual website and start to read from this website, either on a different tab on your phone or on something. So you can just start to read over this, or hire somebody and look for a spooky person on Fiverr. So all we have to do is just go to Fiverr, and then from Fiverr just look up like voiceover. So just type in like voice over, and then you can hire somebody to do a voiceover for you, which is extremely easy to find and extremely cheap. So if we just scroll down a tiny bit, you have this person that is like $15, or this person that's 25, 20. So like 25, you can find some cheap people on here to do the work for you, guys. It is not hard to do at all. So just go over here to Fiverr, and you can hire somebody to do all of this for you, a virtual assistant, and this can be 100% passive. All you need to do is just pay the people to do the work for you, and that is it, guys. So once you have completed finishing this whole thing, guys, the next step is coming over here to where it says export project, and then you just go over here to where it says 2PMG or MPG, and then type in export project right there, or click on it, and then it's going to start to export this whole project. And then you can see it's already 2 minutes long, guys, and I only did a couple of pictures and just the music. So all you have to do is just keep adding in like texts, and then once you keep adding in text, guys, it's going to be so simple to start uploading videos every single day if you stay consistent. And this is not the only website you can find these scary spooky stories on, guys. You can just go to Google, type in spooky stories or scary stories, and then once you have done that, scroll down just a tiny bit. Look, we have another 12 terrifying ghost stories right there. Scary stories to tell in the dark, scary stories to tell in the dark right there as well. So you have different ways you can actually find scary stories, scary content right now. So get started making some money in 2020 by doing this simple and easy method. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.